To find similar image or photo on Pinterest using Bixby Vision on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the desired photo. Tap the Bixby Vision icon at the top of the photo and then tap Discover to start searching for similar photos to yours on Pinterest. You can scroll down the search result page to see all similar photos found on Pinterest. If needed, you can tap one of the photos on the result page to open it on Pinterest. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.